Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to check the link which is in the description box because it will be transferred to our website where you can find all of the codes which I'll present you today and many more tutorials, just like for example for the hard reset operation or the soft reset one. Alright, so let's start with opening the dialer, let's tap on it and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *## 225 ###. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all events gathered in one place. We could check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you a more technical code which will open the diagnostic mode. It is *## 426 #***. Alright, let me kind of refresh it. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level should also appear right here. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is also quite technical but more connected with the device. It is *## 4636 #***. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check some tablet information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let's start with Wi-Fi maybe. Here we've got also the API configuration and the status section, so let me pick the status, the status for example. Let's refresh the stats, and here we've got the information just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back, let's enter maybe usage statistics, and basically here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently ongoing on the device. Currently they are sorted by usage time, but of course you can change it to the last time use or app name. It's up to you. As I said. You can check how much time you've spent on particular apps. So for example, on the settings, I've spent almost 50 minutes. Let's go back and enter tablet information. And basically here we've got the information just like the email number again, the car network, data service, voice service, etc. I do not have really a lot of information right here because I do not have my SIM inserted. If you've got one, for sure you will be able to check everything. Just tap on the run ping test to perform it if you want to. And after tapping on the 3 icon, you can also view service dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.